Welcome to Shiny Colors Final Classes, everyone. This is Rashmi here. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's begin today's lesson. Today we are making evening glow, or you can say morning glow, anything. Here I am making my paper wet. So I sprayed it and I am applying a brush to spread all the water everywhere on the paper. You can see how much water I have put on the paper. Now we have to start. So here you can see the evening glow where the sun is there, and then around the sun the orange and yellowish halo is there. After that orange, and after that I have to use the crimson color to prevent the sky into green, because then we will use blue, it should not turn into green. So in the middle of orange and yellow we have to apply a little bit crimson color. Now here you can see how beautiful the sky came. So for the blue I used Cerulean Blue. Now you see the sky is looking beautiful, and it was looking a little less chromatic, so I applied little more color. My paper is still wet, so I don't need to worry about applying more color and all. So here you can see how beautiful the glow came, and the gradation also there. Now see, the blue did not come into the orange, so you can see the blue is also beautiful, and in the middle there is that purplish color also giving a beautiful effect on the sky. Now you can see the mountain edge is not 100% dry. It's not very hard, so I'm using my blue color again to make the mountain. Right now my paper is still damp, it's not 100% dry. So you can see the bottom part I used for ultramarine blue, and the top I am using the cerulean, again the same color that I used for the sky, and I am leaving some of the gradation of the color. I am not filling it full because there is some cloud and there is some happening in the cloud, in the mountain also. There is not a flat part on the mountain, so you have to remember that too, that we should not make flat color on the mountain. Now these are the far trees, pine trees, so here those pine trees also I am making, and you can take a flat brush to make those trees little more spiky, little more prominent, or little more you can see a tree kind of thing. So the middle part is going smaller, and the side part is bigger. So here see, I'm using the spray to make little more clouds on the sky, and just spreading it into the sky and little bit on the mountain. You can use spray. Spray is a very good tool for watercolor, where you can make the paper evenly wet and you will not get any patch in the middle. Now see, so beautiful sky came. Loving it, the sky and mountain far, lovely. Now I am making the water again. So I am applying the water on the water area. Nicely we have to apply the water. Water has to be good in the amount, otherwise our paper will dry and we will get the patch. So again same, we have to give the reflection of the sky. So first yellow, then orange, then pink, purple. Beautiful color we have to add in the water area also. Now see, I'm applying the blue. So this is ultramarine blue and little bit diluted I used. Again, see, now this is the thicker ultramarine. So applying the thicker ultramarine to make those water waves. So because of the sky reflection, you can see the shape and the flow of the what blue color in the water is little bit curved. It's not straight. Now we have to make the trees reflection. So my paper is still wet. You can see the glow, the shine of the wetness is coming because of the light, and you see I made the reflection, those tree reflection also I did. You can use a thin brush for that, because here we have to be little careful for the tree reflection. It should not blend fully, and it should not give you the very hard edges also. So we have to be careful that it has to be wet, and at the same time it has to be little damp so that it will not spread fully. I mean, a little bit wet, but the water should not be dripping wet on the paper. So carefully make the reflection, because the water reflection is kind of mirror reflection. So when we make the reflection, it has to be almost similar that we have done on the top part also. Now I'm making the this side water, right side water, and you can see the mountain also getting reflection. Mountain reflection is also there in the water. So we have to take care the shape of the mountain also. So when we make the reflection here, we have to just see that the diagonal, the curved mountain effect should come in the water. Now give the little bit curved and wavy effect. We have to give the waves all over. Now see here, little bit turbulence is there in the water, not so much, but yeah, still is there. So the wavy part is there, and at the same time we have to remember the reflection shape that is there in the water. The mountain's shape should come in the water, and because of that you can see the blue wavy effect is coming, and this side, right side, is little less, and left side is little bigger and dark. Now small waves and shimmering of the you can see the reflection in the water is there. Now I'm drawing the boat. So it's better you draw first. It is actually precautionary. So if you are doing directly with the color, with the brush, that also you can do. I have done many times. You have seen in my many videos that I have done many times directly also, but drawing is better. So there is less scope of mistake, and then you can erase it also if you need. So I'm making the shade of the boat that is getting light or getting glow from the sky. So I'm just lifting up the color, and now I'm giving the details. So be very careful while giving the detail, because here if you do some mistake, especially in drawing part, especially in detailing part, then again we have to correct it, and then it will kind of become messy. So you have to be very careful while making the details of the boat. Gently do, slowly do, don't need to hurry up. Now see, there is a person also there, and I think nowadays everybody takes picture in the mobile, so he's taking picture in the mobile. So that's how I made the shape. Now I'm taking the red color. With the same brush, I did not wash my brush, and I did the little thicker red color. So some darker color, that the boat I made with the dark purple color to make it match with the background that is there. Now I have to make the reflection. So here I am making the reflection, and be careful when you make the reflection. It has to be like I said, mirror kind of reflection. So all the details that is there of that shade part of the boat, we have to apply on the water area. Similar way, the boat reflection is also there in the water. Give that wavy effect, because then it will look very beautiful. Now see here also, when we are ending, to give some wavy effect. Almost finishing, and see how beautiful the boat is looking. You can see the sellout effect of the boat, and lovely glow of the sky, and the reflection also in the water. Little bit wavy effect on the glow part that is missing, so that also I am applying. Correcting the waves from left to right actually. With that, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Subscribe my channel and keep the bell icon on. Please share it with your friends and family. Thank you, friends.